Welcome to Baker's Garage. A few years ago I started shooting video on my GoPro, trying to document modifications that I've done to my 06 Cayman S. Along the way I started doing some autocrossing and I've been videoing that as well. There are a few other things that I would love to do and bring to this YouTube channel. I have a small shop right now and it's great, but I'd love to have a much bigger shop. Right now I'm restoring a 70s Porsche 914 that's full of rust. So we're going to get a full experience along the way with that project. Additionally, I would love to get a drone so that I could do some aerial shots while driving and some of the cool places that I go and visit with my friends. There are a few other things that I would like to eventually do if this goes well. When this goes well. I would love to go to SEMA. I always watch all the SEMA videos. It would be cool to be there in some capacity. There are other things, obviously, that I do with my life. I do a lot of yard work and house maintenance. I do some woodworking projects, a lot of DIY things, and a little bit of sailing with my family. I would love to shoot video for that and bring it to this platform and share it with all of you. Oh, and I forgot to mention guns, firearms, pew-pew machines. One of the other things that I love besides cars. Thanks and giggle. Thanks for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell if you're interested in more content.